a very warm good morning to my lovely audience. You're watching Expo Media, this side anchor Reena, and I'm here in the 16th Print Park, India. So hi everyone, I have just entered in the hall. Let me explore what exactly and how many brands are over and I'll update you. So you have to do only one thing, you have to stay tuned and you have to watch the whole video. Please subscribe our channel. Let's check what are there here. Excuse me, this side Reena and I'm a journalist. I'm from Expo Media. May I know who is Mr. Amit? Oh, hello sir. Actually, I am from Expo Media and I want to promote your brand basically. So I wanted to just know about exactly what your brands are and everything.
Within 2 minutes.
Sure. Okay, so take your time. They are just having some conversation, then after that they can interact with us. और उन्होंने आधा घंटा बोला क्योंकि ऑलरेडी उनके पास एक journalist है. हाँ, वो YouTuber है. ये वाले. This one body. I wish I could explore much as I can. I want to take more interviews because people were actually reviewing and commenting me that please explore more brands. So yes, guys, as you've checked that we have explored two brands, which is one is Multitex and the one other is a Uflex. So what we have got about Multitex is exactly that how they do the packaging of products and everything. Just example of Kurkure or any other products, like how the packaging is done basically. Even you have seen they have showed the examples also to us. And if you just talk about the Uflex, ki kis cheez se mein, the way how do they write everything, so that exactly the Uflex is basically. They have done so many writing part like Kurkure, Haldirams and many other brands, and they have covered even more 80 plus countries. So it's a great option for a Uflex, and I think you can definitely go for if you're looking for any international or national brand, because Uflex is a both brand, international as well as the national brand. So I think definitely it's a better option to go for the any printing option, and even for the writing and the packaging option, because they have a different types of machines with them and different kinds of lamination options also they have. So let's see how many other brands are there and how we can explore. So you have to do only one thing, you have to subscribe our channel and stay tuned meanwhile where I'm exploring the other brands. Hi everyone, I have a Mr. Mandeep Kumar over here, who is the person who is representing the paper and label. So I just wanted to know about him, sir, ki exactly what paper and label is or what kind of work you do.
Hello everyone, I am Mandeep from Paper and Label Converting Technologies. We are the manufacturer of printing and converting machines. We are established in 1994. We are dealing in flexo printing machines, multi-substrate flexo printing machines, offset printing machines and without cylinder offset printing machines. In printing segment, we are covering all segments. And in converting machines, we are covering slitting machines, high-speed slitter rewinders, thermal paper slitter rewinders, automatic slitter rewinders, automatic sheeters. We are covering all these machines.
So total how many machines you have, total number of machines, how many machines you have?
Ma'am, actually we have around 20 machines we are manufacturing.
Is it kind of same work which you do or they all have a different types of
No,
machines?
ma'am, they are all are doing different types.
Okay, can you please describe it?
Ma'am, in this we are printing this flexo label printing machines, multi-substrate label printing machines, then without cylinder printing machines, and thermal paper slitter rewinder. All are different machines.
Okay guys, so I'll do one thing, I'll show you the machines which is present over here in the exhibition, so you can check it out. So I just wanted to know that how many places you have dealt, like in abroad or else in national, anyway.
Ma'am, we are dealing in pan India and as well as abroad also.
Okay.
In South Africa, Zambia, Dubai, Kuwait, Qatar, all these countries we are dealing.
Sir, how is the experience while dealing with the international and national? What is the best experience, either with international or with national?
Ma'am, in international is good, and we are not saying that the Indians are not good clients, but in profit wise, exports are good.
Sir, how is your experience right now to be in the exhibition part? Like, have you been any of the exhibition before this?
Yeah, we are exhibiting all the exhibitions till now, and these exhibitions are good. We are showcasing our new technologies, new brands we are dealing with, so it is good.
It's great. So, sir, I just wanted to know my audience see how the machines is work. So let's go and let's explore it,
I
sir.
will show you.
Sure, sir.
This is our latest technology,
Okay.
flexo label printing machine, which is controlled by full servo This is a unwind station with E plus web guide, corona treater for better bonding with printing. Right now we are the substrate is we are using 12 micron polyester film. It has eight printing stations. It has first station, second, and so on, up to 8 colors. Right now we are printing 5 colors on this, and all are dried by UV dryers. And now next we have die cutting. Online you can die cut the labels, and then finished product you can rewind on the roll. And we are using E plus L camera system for checking whether our printing is coming good or not.
Sir, even you're using the natural colors, right? Can you show me the colors which you are using right now? Because I just saw over there.
Yeah, we are using CMYK,
Okay.
means black, cyan, magenta, yellow, and last we are coating with white, so that our printing will come.
Okay, I want to see the color basically. I think it was somewhere around here only.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, you can see out here that how the colors are actually getting printed over here. See the yellow
This
part.
is yellow color,
Yeah.
and then you can see magenta color, cyan color, and black color.
Oh, that's great experience. So
Yeah.
can we see the outcome and the result basically right now?
We can show you that also. You
Okay,
can
so
see
this is the result.
This is the result.
Okay.
It is in roll form,
Okay.
and you can take also in sheet form also. Huh.
So which kind of paper this you works basically? What is the quality of a paper?
Ma'am, this is a polyester of 12 micron.
Okay. And what is this machine name is?
Multi-substrate flexo printing machine.
So may I know what will be the cost of this machine?
It's around 1.75 CR.
That's great. Okay, fine. So guys, we have just seen that how machine works basically, how the printing has been done. So their work is not to go for the printing, but to sell and to manufacture the machines. So they have various types of machines. I think 20 number of
20
machines you
number
have.
of machines.
So you can definitely contact them, and I'll just put the details on the description, sir. Okay, so what this machine is actually, what its name of this machine?
This is our converting segment. In this, we are converting the jumbo rolls in small rolls. This machine name is thermal paper slitter rewinder machine.
Okay.
This machine is used for ATM and post rolls for billing purpose.
Okay. So can we process it right now?
Yeah.
Please show me.
This is a jumbo roll we are loaded over here, and then the paper is going in the front side, and it is going splitting and make these small rolls like this. And this is a thermal paper. By heat produced, the ink will be produced automatically.
Automatically. That's a great option, I think.
Yeah.
Otherwise, people have their own ink also, and I think ink machine is also right.
Yeah.
But it's not required.
Not
So I
required.
think this is the best way to use this one instead of
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
What will the cost of this machine, by the way?
This machine cost will be around 5.5 lakhs.
And you deal with export, like you export in abroad also, right? This
Yes,
machine
yes,
also.
ma'am.
So what will the charges for the people who wanted to deal in?
Same price.
Actually, it's the same for Pan
Same.
India and the national. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So guys, as you have seen that this machine is for the patent purpose and all the things, and it's not required ink. So I think, sir, ink is not required. So I think that is going to save a money also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So any any message you wanted to give to your competitor right now?
Be aware of me,
Be aware of you. That's great. Why, sir? May I know?
because we have latest technologies, and
okay.
we have our experienced design.
Okay. Sir, so basically you have experienced so many of things. What was the toughest, things you have faced till then? What was the toughest challenge to be part of this? Like you might have struggled a lot before coming over here. So what was the toughest thing which you have faced till yet? And you wanted to tell to your customers or to your competitors that you have faced that thing, so they should not face that thing.
Ma'am, actually there is no toughest time, but we have to do hard work.
Instead of smart work, it should be hard work.
Hard work.
Okay. So please aware of, sir. Thank you, sir. So hi everyone, this is Irina from Expo Media and you're watching Expo. And right now I'm having a guest, Mr. Amir and Mr. Praveen, and I'll be asking some questions to you, sir, about your brand and what exactly. So may I know what is your brand name first of all?
Hyde Paper Wings Private Limited and Asia Duplex House.
What kind of work basically your brand do?
We are a trader of duplex paper,
Okay.
which is used in packaging material, raw material. It is a raw material.
Okay. So you deal only the pan India or the national or international?
Pan India.
And what is the process of what is like since how you are building this company by the way?
हमारी शूज़ की यूनिट है TRV स्पोर्ट्स के, उसमें शूज़ बॉक्स लगता है, शूज़ का बॉक्स होता है, उसमें ही लगता था. तो उससे हमें लगा कि हमें भी अपनी यूनिट लगानी चाहिए. हम बाहर बिजनेस दे रहे थे, बट फिर एक यूनिट हमने लगा ली. उसमें एक रॉ मटेरियल यूज होता है.
कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा अभी तक?
बहुत अच्छा रहा.
Okay, I just wanted to know more thing about it. Ki like you got a plan through shoes wala idea. Okay, so like how many with people you have deal till yet? What approx number?
3,000 plus customers we have.
That's great. Since how long you are having, by the way?
20 years.
25 years.
25 years.
25
Silver
years.
Jubilee celebrated.
When Silver Jubilee is going to celebrate?
हमने एक स्कीम वो की हुई है अपनी. अगर इतनी सेल पे हम कस्टमर्स को सिल्वर कॉइन्स, गोल्ड कॉइन्स और बाहर का फॉरेन ट्रिप ऑफर करते हैं मार्च टू मार्च.
Oh, that's great. I'll definitely share you guys so you can explore this information, of course.
We have also have our website asiainternationalduplexhouse.com.
Okay. What kind of technology you have used till yet for this?
Just for our सॉफ्टवेयर है जो हमारे इन्वेंट्री को मेंटेन करता है. जो हमारे सेल्स के सारे सॉफ्टवेयर पे हमारा सारा टोटली ऑनलाइन है. हम कुछ भी हम विदाउट बिल कुछ भी नहीं काम करते.
Let's talk about Rokda, by the way. How many investment you have done till yet?
I have no idea.
No idea.
No idea. So are you like when you started all things, are you getting a best profits in this? Of course, yes.
हाँ, कुछ टाइम से पहले हमने स्ट्रगल किया काफ़ी काम. पहले नए कस्टमर सारों पे गए. आज हमारे पास अच्छा कस्टमर है, अच्छा हमारा लाइनअप.
Sir, how are you feeling that you're working with your son right now? Your son is so
Son already. Nice.
nice, sir. I think he's very proud that he's working with his son and his son is managing everything. So I think every fathers deserve.
जो just अभी नया आया है, भांजा है मेरा.
मेरे मामा जी है.
Okay. So it's like that's great. Maternal son, we can say definitely. So that's great, sir. Actually, basically it happens कि हमेशा लोग अपने son के साथ work करते हैं या फिर किसी और के साथ, but आप इनके साथ काम करते हो बहुत. How is experience working with your maternal uncle?
So good and learning a lot from my mama ji.
Okay. Any message you wanted to give to your teenagers, friends, or to youngsters who wanted to invest something in any of the business setup? So what kind of mindset you use and you want to give this message to them?
वो भी करो, बस अच्छे से करो, मन लगा के करो काम. सारा टाइम बिल्कुल प्रॉपर और मार्केट को समझ के करो, क्योंकि जो भी इसमें हमारे में सारा है क्रेडिट्स का भी है, कैश का, पर देख के दो. जो भी देना है आप काम कर रहे हो, सिर्फ एक यही है.
Guys, listen to what he's trying to say. So please focus whatever you're trying to do and just don't go with the flow. Always try to do smart and hard work both, right? Thank you so much, sir, for having your time and everything.
Thank you.
Anything else apart from you wanted to say to our Expo Media?
यहाँ पर अच्छा लगता है. यहाँ पर और हमारे कस्टमर्स आते हैं, सबसे गेट टुगेदर होती है, जो पूरे साल में हम वरना वैसे फ़ोन पे कनेक्ट रहते हैं, बट यहाँ पर आके हमें मिलता है कि उनसे फेस टू फेस मिले, रिलेशन बनता है एक अच्छा.
Okay. So this is your first exhibition or you have
We have a lot of exhibitions.
any one unique thing? Okay. Any one unique thing which you have noticed in this exhibition instead of any other?
अभी फर्स्ट डे, अभी कुछ नहीं बोल सकते.
Okay. So definitely I'll get update after 5th or I think 6th. That will be best option, right? So thank you so much, sir, for your time and everything.
Thank you.
So hi sir, my name is Reena. I'm from Expo Media. मैं आपका नाम जान सकती हूँ? What's your name, by the way?
I'm Vipin Kamboj, Devendra Kamboj.
Okay, sir. Sir, how's the experience of the exhibition right now? The very first day, sir.
Exhibition, there's a many future machinery over here, and we also expanded our business, so that's why we are here. And already we are running 2 setup. One setup is in Yamunanagar and second setup is in our Kota.
Okay.
So 2-4 मशीनें ऐड ऑन करनी है, that's why we are here. और अच्छा है फ्यूचर के अगर रिगार्डिंग देखा जाए तो काफ़ी अच्छी मशीनरीज फ्यूचर है यहाँ पे. जो कोई भी आए अगर सेटअप स्टार्ट करना चाहे तो वो सेटअप स्टार्ट कर सकता है यहाँ से.
So hi everyone, I'm talking to Mr. Mahesh Sharma from Micro Automation, and this is a brand of basically parts of a machine who do the printing work, right sir? So I just wanted to know sir a bit about Micro Automation, ki exactly what Micro Automation is.
माइक्रो ऑटोमेशन बेसिकली क्या है कि ये ऑटोमेशन का काम करता है। ये प्रिंटिंग ऑफसेट मशीन के पार्ट्स में डील करता है, और ये जितने भी हमारे पार्ट्स होते हैं इंपोर्टेड मशीनों के पार्ट्स होते हैं। जर्मन मशीन होगी आपकी, कोरियन ये आपकी जैपनीज़ मशीन होगी, इनके पार्ट्स में डील करते हैं। ये मशीन आपकी 2 टाइप्स के होते हैं। एक मशीन आपकी होती है ये हैंडल वर्क की, दूसरा आपकी कुमोरी की मशीन होगी। इनके पार्ट्स में हम डील करते हैं।
Sir, so I just wanted to know one more thing about parts. Is like you are having all the parts or specific parts only
ऑल टाइप पार्ट्स।
of whole machine? So all parts can make a one machine.
यस।
Okay, sir. What is the best way to purchase your this products and the parts? To go for like a full machine or else the parts only?
ओनली पार्ट्स।
Only the parts. If I wanted to purchase something, so I can purchase all the parts and I can take a machine. Well, I can build my own machine, right?
यस मैम।
So I think that will be easy, और वो कम it will be less cost.
यस मैम, ये बिल्कुल इजी है। आप मशीन को पार्ट्स को लेकर के इजीली मशीन में लगा सकते हो, बिल्कुल इजी है।
So guys, we are going to check out the parts and what exactly it works and what is the name of the parts of each and every machine. So yes sir, please tell me the parts and what parts are actually the work of and the names of the parts which our customer wants to know.
हम यहाँ पर है ना बहुत सारे डिफरेंट मशीनों के पार्ट्स रख रहे हैं। जैसे कि मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, ये स्टार फोल्डिंग मशीन का पार्ट है।
Okay.
ठीक है, इसको नाइफ बोलते हैं।
Okay.
इसको नाइफ है, स्टार फोल्डिंग मशीन का पार्ट्स है। इसके बाद में जैसे हमारे पास में ये कटिंग मशीन होती है, पोलार कटिंग मशीन, उसका हैंडल है ये टीचर।
Okay.
इसके बाद में जैसे आप देखेंगे ये कुमोरी मशीन के सकर्स हैं। ये कुमोरी ऑफसेट मशीन जो आती है हमारी, उसके स्पेयर पार्ट सकर होते हैं। ये हमारी सकर बॉडीज हैं।
Okay.
ओके, इसको सकर बॉडी, सकर असेंबली बोलते हैं इसको। इसके बाद में ये हमारे पास में इंक की मोटरें हैं।
अच्छा. Okay.
ये इंक की मोटरें हो गई आपकी। ये हमारे पास में जो है आपके ये डैम्पिंग मोटर है पानी की। ठीक है, ये सभी पार्ट्स हमारे पास में होते हैं इसके डिफरेंट टाइप्स।
Okay. Sir, I just wanted to ask one more thing कि like you have the second hand parts also or fresh parts also?
हम यहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट जो है फ्रेश पार्ट रखते हैं। सेकेंड हैंड पार्ट्स हैं वो बहुत कम है हमारे पास, ज़्यादातर जो है जो फ्रेश पार्ट्स ही होते हैं।
But if somebody wants to purchase second hand parts, I think they can purchase from you, right?
नो, बिकॉज ज़्यादातर पार्टी वो नए पार्ट्स ही मांगते हैं, उनको नए पार्ट्स ही चाहिए हमारे से, तो हम उनको जितने भी हैं न्यू पार्ट्स ही प्रोवाइड कराते हैं। सेकेंड हैंड के जो पार्ट्स होते हैं वो बहुत कम होते हैं। जो बेसिकली जो हैंडलवर्क और कुमोरी के जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स जो कार्ड होते हैं वो हम सेकेंड हैंड प्रोवाइड कराते हैं।
Okay.
बाकी सब हमारे पास में नए कार्ड्स ही चलते हैं इस टाइम।
Okay. Sir, what?
पास में इंपोर्टेड जैसे कि आप देखेंगे फिल्टर हैं, फिल्टर वगैरह हैं, फैन हैं, ये आपके स्टार फोल्डिंग मशीन के पार्ट्स हो गए, ये हैंडलवर्क कुमोरी वगैरह के जो है हमारे पास में कार्ड हो गए, तो इस भी पार्ट्स इंपोर्टेड है। इंपोर्टेड पार्ट्स में हम डील करते हैं।
I think so. These are the motors, right?
यस मैम, ये जो हैं ये स्टार फोल्डिंग मशीन की मोटर हैं, हैंडलवर्क की मोटर हैं, ये डिफरेंट टाइप्स की मोटर हैं।
And are they motherboard or kind of thing?
ये सभी मदरबोर्ड्स हैं हैंडलवर्क वगैरह मशीनों के, उसमें हैंडलवर्क के हैं, पोलार कटिंग मशीन के हैं और कुमोरी मशीन के पार्ट्स हैं।
Okay guys, so as you have seen that Mr. Mahesh has updated about lots of parts and lots of information that how it works. So I think you should definitely visit and you should know about exactly the parts and everything, that what kind of parts and what kind of brands, products they use basically. So please contact Mr. Mahesh for all the updates from 1st of Feb to 5th of Feb this exhibition. So guys, we had just had a conversation with Mr. Mahesh and he just updated about the parts of the 4 company like machines, and that machines part is basically printing part. So I have explored so many brands till yet. So they have a machines for the printing or the packaging or the lighting for the lamination, but this is the very first stall which is having the only parts, and I think that this is going to be the least cost if you're going to purchase only the parts and you're going to make your own machine. So I think you should definitely visit the stall number which is 7/D3. So this is of Mr. Mahesh. I'll give all the information near the description, so you can check it out and you can visit. And this exhibition is going to from 1st to 5th of Feb. Thank you. So hi, sir, this is Irina. I'm from Expo Media. Sir, I just wanted to know your name, please.
This is Tarun Adlakha from Faridabad.
Okay. Sir, I just wanted to know what is your purpose of being over here in the part of this exhibition, sir?
Actually, I'm into printing and packaging business, and I just want to see the machines, what type of machines they are selling over here.
Okay. So this is your first exhibition, or you have been in the various exhibitions, sir?
Yeah, I have been to so many exhibitions in printing and packaging.
Okay. So one thing which attracts the most about this exhibition is?
Because see, you can get the exposure of all machines, what type of machines, what new technology is coming. You can see that.
Hi, sir. My name is Reena. I'm from Expo Media. May I know what's your name, sir?
My name is Naman Khandelwal, and hello, nice to meet you too.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, and same here, by the way. So I just wanted to know for what purpose you are here, by the way, and what experience you had till now.
Actually, I'm just come here to find a new business and actually मेरा लेबर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का वर्क है एंड मैं यहाँ पे और भी उस लाइन में अपने नए नए बिजनेस आइडियाज़ को
So, sir, whatever your purpose was over here to come, did you get whatever for your purpose was here?
एक्चुअली नॉट नाउ अभी तक तो नहीं मतलब अभी मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ इस चीज़ को.
Okay, okay. So you have came just now?
यस
Okay, okay. So any message you wanted to give to our Expo Media audience or to your co-partners and to anybody, like why they should come over here? What's the reason for that? Any recommendation, I mean.
एक्चुअली सबको आनी चाहिए, नई नई चीज़ें सीखने को मिलती है एंड नई चीज़ें देखने को मिलती हैं, न्यू बिजनेस आइडियाज़ मिलती हैं एंड हमें पता चलता है कि अभी टेक्नोलॉजी में क्या क्या वर्क चल रहा है.
So hi everyone, I have Mr. Rajiv over here from the Ample. And sir, I just wanted to know what exactly the Ample is and what kind of process you have over in the market right now.
Yeah, my name is Rajiv Jaga. My company name is Ample Graphics Private Limited. We have been present in the market now for 9 years. Main business segment that we look after, and right from the very beginning we are focused on, is post-print packaging. So we don't do anything in the printing segment, but after the sheets are printed, how to convert into a usable format, whether it is a poster, whether it is a box, whether it is a carton, we do all types of machines in that segment.
So may I know the different types of machines, whatever you have using, the names and the details basically.
Starting from in the post print segment, you start from basically, if you go by the process, you do a lamination, then you do die cutting, then you make folding and the different types of boxes, whether it's a rigid box, then there's a fully different line for rigid box. Whether you're monocartons, then there's a line for monocartons. If you're doing corrugated, then again we have lines in corrugated. But we don't do printing. After that, once the paper is printed, however you want to convert, whether it is monocartons, rigid box or corrugation, we have the entire set of machineries for that.
So mainly you focus on packaging instead of printing, but you have the other option as well.
Yes,
right?
we look at packaging as a market segment. We don't, the entire gamut of packaging is covered by us.
So mainly, if you wanted to convey one message to your competitor or to your customer, what will be the one message to one competitor and to the customer? One.
See, we don't want to convey anything to our competitors. Everybody
It should be positive, right?
Yeah, exactly. Everybody is in their own market segment, so I don't want to discourage any competitor. Competition is always good and healthier for the industry. The more competition is there, the better will be the pricing, and then the customer has to decide on terms of the service where he is going to buy the machine from. So all competition is welcome. The more the competition, the less the pricing will come, because even the Chinese realize if there is more competition here or more Chinese companies coming here, they have to match the prices. So prices eventually with more competition goes down, and then it is individual services like all the Indian companies who are providing the services. Then it is all dependent on their level of service. We consider ourselves in the top 3 or 4 in India, and a lot of customers also agree with that. We have 6 machines running here right now, so I can take you across to at least these 6. So we have many more. We have a 32-page catalog, so we have many more machines. But these 6 we can demonstrate.
So can we go please, sir?
You have the normal feeder. This is a screen. The screen is exposed to the exact design where you want the glue to be applied. So here you can see the pattern. The same pattern is there on the printing. So it will match the printing line and the glue application line. So once the glue is applied, it will move on to the curing station. Be careful. This is the UV curing station. From here, then you have the foil. The foil will apply to wherever that adhesive has been put. So after this, it goes into the cooling tunnel and curing tunnel and the stacking. So once you see the final product, this silver effect, the golden effect that you see, that is the golden film which has got transferred. The advantage of these very minute small lines is what is there in the cold foil as compared to a hot foil machine. It is not. Yes, please. It is not very on a hot foil. You won't get this fineness of the product.
I wanted to show to my customers that basically this machine works. This is the details which we are getting over here. It works in that way only. Later on, we can show all the images also. Can we move forward, please? So yes, guys, you have just seen that how many brands we have explored and what kind of machines we actually the Print Pack India is having. And I think it was a wonderful experience for me to come over here and to understand what exactly the print packaging is. I think you should definitely visit over here to explore the brands, to explore the machines. that how the packaging has been done, how the printing has been done, how the lamination is to be done, and how the lightning effect is. There is small things has been explored over here, and in such a great way it has been told actually to the people, to the exhibitors, or to the visitors, to everyone. I think it's a wonderful experience. Even you can have seen there's lots of experience of the local audience and the visitors and the exhibitors. So I think you should definitely visit over here, the Print Pack India 2025, the 16th workshop over here, the 16th exhibition. And I think the date is from 1st of Feb to 5th of Fab. I'll definitely mention the locations and everything. It's in Greater Noida right now, and the Knowledge Park basically. So you can definitely visit everything, all the details, and you have to stay tuned with us on the Expo Media. We'll be bringing lots of other exhibitions and the other informations. So you have to do only one thing. You have to like our channel, you have to share your loved ones, and you have to subscribe our channel. So yes, like, share and subscribe, and just watch everything and all the details of the exhibition only and only Expo Media English.